In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create form with layout in Gohighlevel. To get started, log into your Gohighlevel account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand navigation menu. This is where you'll find the main tools and sections for building and managing your assets. From that left side menu, scroll down a little until you see Sites, then click on it. This will take you to the area where form-related options are available. After the page loads, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the button to create something new. Go ahead and click Create Form. When the setup options appear, choose from Templates. This is the quickest way to start with a professionally structured form layout instead of building everything from scratch. After selecting that option, click Continue to move into the template selection area. Once you're there, look to the panel on the left-hand side. This section lets you browse by category, which makes it easier to narrow down the available layouts. Take a moment to explore the categories that are shown. If you want to see more choices, click Show More, so you can expand the list and view additional options. When you find a category that fits the kind of form you want to create, click the checkbox next to it. This will filter the available templates and help you focus only on the layouts that match your needs. From there, browse through all the layouts displayed on the screen. It's a good idea to look carefully at the structure and style of each one so you can choose a layout that best supports the information you want to collect. Once you've found a layout you like, click Choose. At this point, the template will begin loading into the form builder. This can take a few seconds, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Just give it a moment for the layout to finish being added. After the layout has been successfully loaded, you'll be taken into the form editor. From here, you can review the form and make sure the selected structure looks the way you want. If needed, you can still add more elements afterward to customize the form further and better match your goal. That's the full process for creating a form with a layout in Gohighlevel. Once you get comfortable using templates and categories, building forms becomes much faster and much more organized.